How to turn on videos backup on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on videos backup on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find the chat. Click on it and scroll down until you find the chat backup, and then scroll down again. Here you will find this one. Just turn it on, this one, last one here. Turn it on and then go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.